Hey, Populist staff, this is a video to help provide clarity on the administration structure here at the office at Populist. Our admin structure is housed here at the corporate level, which is in the Ypsilanti branch, and we have office manager, assistant office manager, and we have finance, and we have HR, and we have the director of ops as well. We also have the sales and marketing team here at the office as well. So HR, admin, finance, director of ops, sales and marketing, those positions answer up to the chief of operations or our integrator. And the chief of operations or the COO answers up to myself, the president of the organization.